Okay. For x belongs to 0 to 1 by 4, derivative of tan inverse of 6x root x divided by 1 minus 9x cube is root x into g of x. Then g of x we need to find. And it's a problem given in JEE main 2017, right? Previous year mains problem. So as I said, the problem requires a bit knowledge related to the inverse trigonometry. So we need to think about the derivative of this function, what it is, tan inverse 6x root x by 1 minus 9x cube. Let that function as y. So y is equals to tan inverse of 6x root x divided by 1 minus 9x cube. Okay. Now just look at this, tan inverse 6x root x by 1 minus 9x cube, and I am trying to write it like this, tan inverse of 3x root x, okay, or I do one thing. So 6x root x, right? So it can be written as 2 into 3x root x divided by 1 minus 3x root x whole square. Is there anything wrong? If you say 3x root x as theta, it is simply tan inverse of 2 theta by, I do one thing. Yeah. See, it is of the format 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta actually. Okay. So this is, if I say this 3x root x as some tan theta, it becomes like this 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Is it right? For tan theta is equals to 3x root x. And now this 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta. So this is equals to tan inverse of tan 2 theta. And tan inverse of tan 2 theta is just 2 theta. So therefore we have y is equals to 2 theta. And that y is equals to 2 into theta. See, tan theta is 3x root x and theta is, just a minute, tan theta is 3x root x and theta is, so theta is tan inverse of 3x root x, okay. So y is equals to 2 tan inverse 3x root x. Now we need to think about derivative of y. Okay, the problem is about the derivative of this function, that is y. So derivative of y we need. So now differentiate this y with respect to x. 2 is a constant, write separately, and tan inverse something. See, for tan inverse of x, 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse of 3x root x is 1 by 1 plus 3x root x whole square. Okay, into 3x root x. That 3x root x, what is its derivative? 3 into, see, x root x means x power 3 by 2, right? So 3 into x power 3 by 2. What is the derivative? 3 by 2 into, okay, 3 into 3 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 minus 1. See, 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2, and so it is root x. Okay, finally what will happen? This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We have finally 9 root x divided by 1 plus 9 x cube. X square and root x square is x, 9x cube. The question is about finding g of x since the derivative is root x into gx. If you separate this root x, this 9 by 1 plus 9x cube is g of x, and that's our answer finally. Okay, so the problem is tan inverse 6x root x by 1 minus 9x cube. If its derivative is root x gx, what is g of x? That's the question. So first of all, using the idea of inverse trigonometry, write that y as 2 tan inverse 3x root x. Now differentiate it. For tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square, so 1 by 1 plus this 3x root x whole square into the derivative of 3x root x. 3 into x root x is nothing but x power 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 minus 1. Finally, g of x is this 9 by 1 plus 9x cube. Okay.